Hey guys, welcome back to Maximo Minutes, your source for all things related to asset management, CAFM Systems, and IBM Maximo best practices. I'm Said Saeed, and today we are diving into one of the most important shifts in modern maintenance strategies, moving from preventive to predictive maintenance. So if you've ever wondered why your equipment still fails even when you follow your preventive maintenance schedule, or how predictive maintenance can help you avoid those costly surprises, this episode is for you. What is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is all about scheduling regular maintenance activities to reduce the likelihood of failures. It's time-based or usage-based. For example, servicing a generator every 500 hours or replacing filters every 3 months. The goal here is simple: avoid breakdowns by acting before something goes wrong. So in Maximo, this is managed through a preventive maintenance application where you define the frequency, tasks, and linked job plan. Advantages of preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is relatively easy to set up in Maximo and gives you predictable schedule or forecast, reduced downtime compared to purely reactive maintenance, easier resource planning. However, it's not perfect. You might replace parts too early, wasting money, or too late, still experience failures. The limitation of preventive maintenance. The main problem with preventive maintenance is that it assumes equipment wears down in a predictable pattern, but in reality, failures are often random and influenced by operating conditions. This is where predictive maintenance comes in, using real-time data to determine the actual health of your assets. So what is predictive maintenance? Predictive maintenance uses condition monitoring and analytics to determine exactly when maintenance is needed. Instead of saying replacing every 500 hours, it says replace when vibration exceeds a threshold or when temperature patterns indicate bearing wear. So in Maximo, this can be achieved by integrating IoT sensors and Maximo Health and Predict with analyze historical and live data to recommend maintenance actions. Benefits of predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance can reduce unnecessary work orders, resources, etc., extend asset life cycle, minimize downtime, save costs and uh, costs on labors and parts or spare parts here. It's smarter data-driven approach, but it requires more investment in sensors, connectivity, and analytics. Preventive maintenance versus predictive maintenance in Maximo. In Maximo, preventive maintenance uses fixed schedule through preventive maintenance application then generate work orders as its intervals, according to its intervals. Predictive maintenance uses triggers from data. So work orders are generated only when a condition is met, as we talked. So you can combine them, preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance, by having a baseline preventive maintenance schedule, but overriding it with predictive alerts. So here is the perfect case to combine preventive maintenance with predictive maintenance. Real world example here, let's say you manage a fleet of pumps. With preventive maintenance, you change seals every 6 months. With predictive maintenance, sensors detect when seal vibration increases, meaning wear is happening earlier or later than expected. This way, you only replace when needed, saving money and preventing unexpected failures. Implementing predictive maintenance in Maximo. Here is steps to get started from. Identify critical assets with high failure impact. Install IoT sensors for condition data like temperature, vibration, pressure, etc. Integrate the IoT platform with Maximo using Maximo Monitor or third-party connectors. Configure triggers for work order creation based on sensor recording or sensor reading. Train maintenance teams on interpreting data-driven alerts. Most important to train your team to use predictive maintenance. So again, identify critical asset, install IoT sensors, integrate IoT platform with Maximo using monitor or third-party connectors, configure triggers for work orders, train your team. Hybrid approach of PM and BDM. Most organizations start with a hybrid approach, keeping preventive maintenance for low-cost assets and applying predictive techniques to critical equipment. So maximum you can easily set up both strategies to run side by side. And it's the perfect way here. So let's recap. Preventive maintenance is a good starting point, but predictive maintenance is the future. Maximo gives you the tools for both, from simple preventive maintenance records to advanced AI-driven predictions. The key is to match the strategy to the asset's criticality, cost, and operational impact. If you want to move from firefighting to foresight in your maintenance strategy, start exploring predictive capabilities in Maximo. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode if it's helped you understand the difference between BM and BDM. See you in the next episode, where we will keep making your asset management smarter 1 minute at a time. Till that, thank you.